Alright, number 18. Distribution of the number of hours that students at a certain college studied for final exams has a mean of 12 hours and a standard deviation of 3 hours. Which of the following number of hours are within 2 standard deviations of the mean of the distribution? So when they talk about standard deviations away from the mean, you want to think of it in terms of here's the average, and in this case we're going to put 12, that's the mean. And one standard deviation is 3 hours, so one standard deviation is going to get us 3 more hours, so that's 15. Another standard deviation, so a second standard deviation moves us another 3 hours, so 18. 3 standard deviations would get us out to 21. And this is true in reverse. So -1 standard deviation would be subtracting 3 and get us to 9. -2 standard deviations, again we subtract 3 and we get to 6. And then a third standard deviation, so -3 standard deviations would get us down to 3. So a standard deviation of 3 hours means that each standard deviation you move in either direction is either adding 3 if you go positive or subtracting 3 if you go negative. So within 2 standard deviations, well, this is 2 standard deviations lower and this is 2 standard deviations above. And so basically 6 through 18, all those values are within 2 standard deviations of the mean of the distribution. So 2 and 5 are out, 10 is in, 14 is in, 16 is in, 20 is out. So the answers are C, D, and E.